What is up, lock picking newbie here, and today I have a master lock. It's actually a warded master lock. As you can see, it has that funky looking keyway with the discs. Let me see, I can show you that the disc will actually spin around. So it's kind of like you can actually turn the disc. So how do you pick a lock like that? It's got a funky looking key with it. Let's see if I can get it in the frame. There we go. Master lock. Funky looking key. I'm thinking, okay, let's see how this works. When you open the lock, you look in there and you can see a bar that moves when you turn the key that allows the shackle to pop out. Okay, I've seen special picks out there, monkey keys or whatever you call them, made for this kind of a warded lock. But I'm thinking, okay, you can probably bypass all of these and get right to the back of that bar and manipulate it. So I'm thinking, okay, let's give it a try. All right, we'll lock the lock. It is locked, and I'm going to use a standard, that's actually my deepest hook that I have out of my Banggood, $24 Banggood lock set. What I'm thinking is I can just reach in and just bypass all of these discs and just manipulate that bar with this J hook to pop this lock open. So let's see if that holds true. Alright, locked, and going in with a pick all the way to the back. Find the bar right there, and there it is. Look at that. The lock is open. Just bypassed everything with a simple J hook. So the theory holds true. I still might order some of those special picks just to try them, but in the meantime, if you find yourself trying to open up a warded padlock with that funny looking keyway, that's one way to do it. Just bypass it all and go right for the bar to open up the shackle. That's all I've got for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and we'll catch you next time. Lock picking newbie out.